Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. It says save up to 50% job site tools. So basically about Hercules tools. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more to reviews to deals. Yep. We got an email from Harbor Freight about Hercules. It says save up to 50% job site tools. Harbor Freight to change the way they're selling Hercules. I don't really necessarily agree with that because you end up paying more. You buy a tool and then you buy a battery by itself. It doesn't show you the batteries. But if you buy a tool by itself and then you buy the battery and then you buy the charger, you end up paying more in the long run. So if you have a toolkit already, I understand if you already have the battery or you already have the charger, all you need is a tool. That's fine. Have the tools by themselves. But you know what? Give the guys an option, or the customers an option to buy a toolkit. I would just still give them an option, to buy a toolkit or a multiple toolkit, like maybe a drill driver, impact driver, and a circular saw or a reciprocating saw. Anyways, if you Harbor Freight, if you're listening to this video or watching this video, keep that in mind. All right, let's start. 20-volt lithium cordless ion, lithium ion pro half-inch impact driver. I do have this and I do have this. They both work really good. There are my to-go tools. If I need to grab something, I'll grab any of these two. $44.99 for any of these two. And then you got the hammer. This is the hammer drill, $49.99. So you gotta spend $4 more, which is not bad. But actually, I do need a hammer drill, so I'll probably buy the tool by itself since I already have batteries. But like I said, for people that don't have the batteries, they need to buy the whole shebang bang there. 20-volt lithium ion cordless circular saw, $74.99. This is a newer item. All these are newer items. I haven't heard any bad things about any of these. I have not heard about nothing but good things. So 20-volt lithium cordless variable speed reciprocating saw, $84.99. And then you got the compact job saw blower. This is mostly for smaller, like a shop area or something like that. It's not really your leaf blower. So this is like for the shop or for the vehicle, blow something off the bed or something. So something smaller than that. So $54.99 for that. Got 4.5 7-amp professional angle grinder, $39.99. Get the 4.5 11-amp professional angle grinder with paddle switch, $69.99. So this is the bigger. This is the regular size. You get the 10-inch 15-amp job site table saw. This is mostly your compact table saw. This is going to be the smaller type, $249.99. Not a bad deal. You got the 7-inch industrial tile brick saw, $239.99. You got the 10-inch professional tile brick saw, $384.99. I do have the 10-inch of Chicago Electric. Gotta say I'm pretty happy with it. Definitely recommend any of these, but recommend this more. You get a lot more features. You get a blade. You get a lot more stuff for the price. I believe this is the cheapest we've seen it. If I'm not wrong, yeah, I think this is the cheapest, and this is the cheapest we've seen for this one, $144.99. These are the miter saw stands. Fortress, definitely recommend Fortress, especially for somebody that wants something quiet. If you want something quiet, always look at the dB. Decibel rating 57. Decibel rating 60. Where's the dB on this one? Doesn't say. All it says is 50% quieter, but doesn't really tell you the dB. But always look at the dB if you want something quieter. These are very quiet, by the way, these two. So definitely recommend any of those. impact. Nailers. Definitely recommend nailers from Harbor Freight. The Pierce and actually the Centro Pneumatic is not a bad nailer. It's just a basic homeowner DIY type of nailer. You got the Bauer corded tools. I do personally have this. Works real good. I used it a few times. Saved me a few $100 there from calling a plumber. I do have not this one, but just in between these two, I do have the 1 1/8 what is it? SDS rotary hammer kit 3-in-1, and I do like it. Works real good. I did remove tile with that. You guys want to see the video, I can link it up above, or you can just go search on YouTube Toolhead 147 3-in-1 rotary hammer kit. These are the new vacuums from Bauer. I gotta try them out. Definitely recommend Bauer. Bauer's a good brand. Great letter there. We seen this for $99.99. This is nice. I want to give myself something like that. Portable clamp workstation, $119.99. That's it. Yep, that's it for today. Short video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, to deals, and stay tuned for my video I'm coming out with this Saturday. I got a tool review and tool review Tuesdays, so check those out, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.